10 unique platforms that could be very useful for your business to find and work with Indian companies. B2B or business to business is a network that buyer and seller as well as other business services such as the shipping agents find each other and start a cooperation and business. Today we will talk about famous B2B websites where you can find Indian seller and buyer companies. First of all, needs to draw your attention to this point. All platforms that we are going to talk about, each one is unique and we can't compare them with each other. So today we have a 10 unique Indian platform that each one could be very useful for all businesses. Let's start it. IndiaMart is India's largest online B2B marketplace. IndiaMart is my favorite B2B website because you can work with it easily. This platform not only gives you company's contact information, but also introduces you to others' company. This is a kind of free advertising for your business because it could make a network for all participants to reach a better result, and it would be ideal platform. Trade India. This is the largest B2B marketplace in India, offering business solutions to the domestic and global business through its wide online services and trade promotional events. Birth supplier. This is my favorite part because not only you can find supplier, but even you find customer list free. This could be practical trick to reach list of companies information. Third platform, Exporters India. This platform is belong to a Weblink company. Weblink is one of the biggest technology leader in India. This is Weblink website and this is Exporters India. As you see, it supports a wide range of products and services and it has an extraordinary harmony. It has an amazing and practical design. bizongo.in. Bizongo is most known as a commerce services company and especially in the field of packing products. And I recommended you to have a look at their website. Some of the websites don't let us to have a direct negotiation with seller or buyer, and this is a serious problem. In future videos, I will tell you how we could reach to the company's information, negotiate directly, and validation them. Trade fair section is what that make difference between Gym Trade with other platforms. India Trade Fort. I don't like to talk more about this website. You should check it by yourself. This is one of them my favorite because gives you very important data such as a trade show section and other directories. In the past, you had to travel to find companies and do business, but now you reach to foreign market information from your place. Of course, you need to validation them and making sure your business. Having office in a different location in India is a good benefit for this website, and sharing a complete knowledge and services, this could be useful, and you can think about working with this platform. If you work with Indian companies, this website can discover opportunities for you and update you with the latest market knowledge. As I mentioned before, you need to take time for each website. Over 20,000 traders are using this platform to make wholesale purchases. The benefit of this platform is mobile application. And if you would like to work with applications and mobile, Udon could be a better choice, and they have also a website. Trade exporters. This is one of the best Indian B2B websites, and it's another page that I recommended because this website gives you companies information for free, and it could be one of the best sources for finding Indian business. And the latest B2B website. TradeK is the second largest B2B marketplace in the world. Their website, designed professionally to access data, you need to register your business, but it will be free. India TradeK is an Indian version of the main TradeK platform, and don't need to talk more about it because TradeK is famous enough. We did our best to prepare useful and practical data for all businesses who work in international trade market. If you would like to following this type of topic, you can join us in YouTube channel as well as checking our website.